Okay, so today this is my dryer and we're going to clean the dryer vent. This one's on the top. It's a Maytag. Okay. Some dryers have the vent right down there, but on this one here, it's on the top. I bought this dryer vent lint brush and vacuum attachment little kit here I'm going to put together. And let me get it out of the way here. And we're going to clean the vent. I've had this dryer now for about 2.5 years, and it works pretty well. As you can see right here, it collects the lint quite nicely, but I've never cleaned down inside of there. I don't know what's doing, so I decided to, before I have problems or maybe even catch a small fire, I want to put that kit together and get down inside of there and see what's doing. So I want to get it all readied up, and I'm going to show you how it attached to the vacuum, and we're going to get down inside of there and clean up. Okay, so there are like 4 pieces to this kit. This is what goes down the dryer vent. This is the brush to clean the vent before this goes down. And these 2 attachments here attach together like that. This will attach to that. And this part here attaches to your vacuum. So it's pretty straightforward. These things, these kits, I bought this at a place called Princess Auto in Toronto, Canada. You can get this online. I don't like ordering online. I'm still old school. So I don't know if I paid a bit more or not, but they're anywhere from about $13 to about $24. This one I paid like $24 for. As I said, that's because I didn't want to wait. I just wanted to go to the store and pick it up type thing. But you can get them online a lot cheaper. You know, I've seen some as much as 8. Maybe they were used, I don't know. But as I said, straightforward. This goes into the vacuum, and that goes into this piece here, and that goes down the back, and you start cleaning. So I'm going to show you how it's all set up, and I'm going to start cleaning and see what's back there. As I said before, the dryer I have here, it's probably about 2.5 years old, and I've never cleaned down the back there. I've just only used the the screen filter that I pulled out at the beginning. So let's see what's doing. Okay, so let's put this together. What we have here, this piece here, fits in here like so, nice and snug. And this piece here goes here like so, nice and snug. Not easy to put on and not easy to get off, so, okay. And your vacuum, I'm using like a little shop vac that I've had for a long time, and you can use your vacuum, your home vacuum, any kind of vacuum, because this is an adapter back here. So I don't know if you can see that, but right in here, this one fits in like that. But if yours was a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, you can get it in there and it'll fit, because this is the adapter part. Okay, so pop that in like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down here, okay, and I'm going to pull this out, okay. As you can see, as I said before, it does a good job, right, collecting right there. But and I'm going to pop this right inside of here and start cleaning up. So I want to kind of get everything ready and do that, okay, and see what we have going on down here. Very slippery, everything's falling. Okay. Okay, so let's get down inside of there. This brush is supposed to be about 30 inches. So let's, goes in nice and smooth. Okay, right down there. I don't, can you lose it in here? Oh, I guess you could. Okay. Twirl around. Let's see what's down there. Let's pull her out. Okay, well, I got some stuff right here. Okay, so I don't know if the brush gets all the way down or not. It supposedly does, but anyways, this is what the brush pulled out. Okay, so toss that over there. Okay, let's put it over like so. Try and get it out of the way. Okay, let's try and balance that. Everything seems to fall. Okay, now let's pop this, get this in here nicely, like so. And let's see what it pulls out. Oh, I would like to show you. Okay, what's inside of here? Okay. So this one, it's nice and empty, and I just have a filter on here. This thing has been very reliable for a long time. I don't even think they make them anymore. Okay, let's pop this over here, like so. Let's get this back up, and let's put it on. There we go. Oh, it's difficult getting it in, but it's in. There was a, this part here was a little bit tough getting in, but it slides in when you give it a little bit of pressure, okay? So we got that going there. So let me get this back up here and see what's doing, and we'll go from there. Okay, so let's see the results of how much we got out of there. Okay, well, inside we got a little bit. Okay, I don't know if you can see that moving around inside of there. Okay, and the filter itself picked up quite a bit, but there was stuff down inside of there building up. The filter itself does a pretty good job getting this stuff out. So, you know, that is what, so the filter does a good job, but there is still a little bit of debris down in the bottom there. So, depending on what kind of dryer you have, you make a decision if you want to buy this attachment and dig down inside of there or in the front here. But, boy, but dusty. It does seem to work, and let me get this out of the way here. Okay, and as I said, leave in the comments if you have one, if you've worked with it or not, and what do you think of it, if it's worth buying or not. Thanks for watching. So I was just kind of looking over the video and I realized that I wasn't close enough in letting you see what's on here. So this is what the filter looks like, what it picked up. Okay, it was a little far away, and inside here is what you can see, the little bits of lint down there. Okay, that's what it picked up. I thought you might want to see a closer look. And again, that's the screen that I showed you before. Okay. Also, check my other video out in regards to making a internal vent with just a simple bucket, a little DIY action there. And you just pour a little water in the bottom there, and you let it vent. If you don't have a hole to vent it out, you can make this thing. So check out my video on that. Okay, so again, thanks for watching.